Hey everyone, tired of giving out a real email and getting spammed? Today we are going to self-host our own temporary email system. For this, you will need some requirements. First of all, you need PHP 8.1 or higher, PHP extension sum, and web server. And the main point, you need a hosting server. You need a hosting server and a domain name. Then you can run your temporary email in your hosting. So I'll follow the steps how we can install this on our cPanel. First of all, we have to log in into our cPanel. I have logged into my cPanel. Then we need to go email accounts. I'm going to email accounts, and here I have two email accounts. This is my main email account. I have to modify this. Then I will click manage default address. Here I need to select this forward to email address. I will give an email address according to my domain name. I'm choosing this email address. So then I will click change. Now again, I need to go to email addresses. Here, now I will create an email address according to that email name. The name was, and I will set a strong password, then create. Remember this password, also remember this username. The email address will be tempinbox@farhanwahid.top. According to your domain name will be here. Now I have created an email account. This is it. Now I will download the code. Then I will upload this code into my cPanel account. First of all, I will go to cPanel. Then we need to go our file manager. I have came into my cPanel account. Now I will click. I have came into my cPanel account. Now I will click public HTML. Then I will upload the code. Here is my downloaded code. Again, we need to go to public HTML, then reload. Here I have uploaded the code. Now I will rename this. Rename this to temp inbox.zip. Then I will extract the file here. Here is my extracted file. I need to rename it again. Now it will be just temp inbox. Rename file. Now I'll go to this directory. Okay, now I'll come to this GitHub repo. I'll follow the step. I have completed these steps. Now I will go to here. And now I have to configure my configuration file. So here I'm going to config, and here config, press edit. Here app name https domain.com. I need to replace this with my domain name. I have replaced it with my domain name, and here allowed domains. Again, I need to type my domain name. Again, in IMAP section, I need to change this section. I have just replaced this with my domain name. And now here the tricky part, username. I have created an email account that was tempinbox@farhanwahid.com.top. And the password I am typing now. Same for the SMTP section. I need to change this username according to my created email account. Okay, that's it. That's the configuration part, and we don't need to change anything. Okay, and here is the admin section. This is my admin name and admin password. I'll set for now. Okay, save. Now we need to go to current jobs. Again in cpanel, find current jobs. Current jobs. Then we just need to select once per minute. Common settings once per minute. Then we need to write a command. Write a command. Here we will find a command. This is the command. We need to just copy it and then paste it here. Then we need to add new cron job. That's it. Nothing else. Here I have added the previously cron job. Then so I am not updating this. Now we need to go our site. So it will be my domain and temp inbox public. Here I have successfully created. Now I need to just configure something in admin section. Okay. Setting. Here allowed domains. I need to type my domain. And here if you want to send emails with your temporary email, then you can modify this. I'm modifying this. You need to type mail.udomain, mail.top.udomain, and SMTP username that I have created the email. That's the username. So that was temp inbox. Then we need to set give the password. I have typed the password that I have created that for email account. Now we need to just press save configuration. Our work is done. We don't have to anything. So in public, temp inbox public, here choose domain. The domain name is changed. I will press generate random email. This is my random email. If now I am sending this email with my another email account. Okay, I have sent. Now we have to go here, open inbox. Now we have just to wait. Here I have received the email successfully. You can use this temp mail as a verification method. So thanks. If you like the video, then please subscribe and also follow my GitHub. You can get the information here